Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have a get rid of your love handles workout for you. This is gonna be a nice ab and core and love handle workout. I think you're really gonna like it. We're gonna be on the floor, so grab a mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Alrighty, we are going to be doing 3 sets of this love handle removal workout. First set is going to be me more explaining and demonstrating the ab and core exercises as you follow along, while the next 2 sets are going to be more complete run through. By the end of it, we are going to be sweaty, but we're going to feel so good knowing that we are getting the nice toned body that we want. So let's get started with our first exercise. Alrighty, get yourself down on the mat, and we are going to be starting with some oblique twist. There's different ways you can do it. I like to I bend my knees, I lean back slightly, strong back, strong core, and all we're doing is rotating from either side, trying to touch the ground and twisting. You're gonna really feel it in your obliques right here. If elevating your legs is too hard, feel free to put the heels on the ground and just lean back with it and have some fun. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's begin. Try not to cheat. Don't worry about speeding through it. Just really focusing on seeing if you can touch the ground on both sides. And again, if elevating your feet is too much, plant the heels. You really focus on the twist. We're almost done here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, while you are still on your butt, fall back to your back. We are going to be doing some reverse crunches. Normal crunch, your torso will be the one moving towards your lower body, but now we are going to be bringing our lower body to us. So I like to have a nice, strong, stable base with my hands on the ground, and all we're doing is bringing those knees. Try not to kick or knee yourself in the face, but we're trying to crunch like this. So instead of, again, us going this way, we're bringing our legs to us. So 30 seconds, and here we go. Really focus on pressing that lower back into the ground. Really extend those legs. If you have to, you can drop your legs when you're straightened out before bringing them back over. But if you want more of an extra workout, just keep them extended. Just like that. Really feel the crunch of the crunch. And here we go, 3, 2, let's do one more, and nice. All right, turn over onto your side. We will be doing some side planks. The goal is to do 15 seconds each side. You want to almost stack one foot on top of the other, like that. I like to get on my elbow, be a strong, stable base of my hand on the ground, my forearm, my elbow, and I just lift myself off the ground in this position like so. We'll do 15 seconds, both sides, and I will switch them for you. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, elevate. This is a great one for really building a strong, stable core. You're gonna feel it in your sides. Have a strong, stable base. Make sure you're breathing. Just like this. A couple more seconds on this side. 3, 2, 1. All right. Switch sides. Get yourself back in position. You're gonna feel it right all up in here in this one. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Great job. Last exercise, we have heel touches. Back on your back. However far your heels are from your butt is going to determine your difficulty level. The goal is to have your hands on the ground as well. Back on the lower back, pressing into the ground, and we are just trying to alternate touching our heels. Like I said, the farther away it is, the harder it will be. Closer it is, a little more easier. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. These exercises are great at building those obliques. And while we can't, reduce fat in specific areas, doing these type of exercises will help grow our overall core, and we're burning fat all over, so eventually those love handles will disappear. Just like this, 3, 2, 1 more each side, and done. Great job. That was your first set of this Get Rid of Your Love Handles workout. We are gonna jump into set number 2 in just a second. Grab some water. Let's do a quick 5-second water break, and then we'll get right into that second set. All right, are you ready? Less talking, more doing. This is on you now. Let's have some fun. We're starting with oblique twists. All right, reverse crunch, and 3, 2, 1. All right, side planks, here we go. All right, switch. Last heel touch. Whew. All right, that was your second set. My core is on fire, but let's finish it off with one more set. Set number 3. Here we go. Don't even think about it. We're gonna jump right into it, starting with the oblique twist in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, reverse crunch, and 3, 2, 1. All right, side planks, here we go. Last heel touch. Oof. And there you have it. That was the Get Rid of Your Love Handles workout. Hope you liked it as much as I did. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that notification bell to stay on top of any new videos. And while you're at it, maybe like, comment, let us know what you like, what you don't like. We would love to hear from you. I will see you in the next video. I'm Coach Greg. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.